8 steps to give shine to hair with vinegar. If you want to give hair shine but do not want to spend on products that often promise results and in the end do not meet, the solution to this is in your kitchen. Yes. Such a common ingredient as vinegar may be able to give a spectacular shine to your hair. If you want to know how to use it, stay until the end of this article. The action of vinegar is to give hair shine by removing all accumulated dirt and closing the cuticles. The formula is made from vinegar and water. Let's look at the step by step. How to give shine to hair with vinegar step by step. 1. To prepare the vinegar rinse, use the vinegar first. We must mix it with a little water because in itself it would be very powerful. You will use half a cup of water and half a cup of vinegar. You can use apple vinegar or white vinegar. If you want to use the vinegar that leaves less odor, it is recommended to use apple vinegar. 2. Once you have the rinse ready, you should proceed to wash your hair normally, preferably with water at room temperature, i.e. cold. In this way the hair will become even brighter. 3. For this treatment you will not need to use conditioner as vinegar rinsing will do this job. 4. Once the hair is washed, you will proceed to apply the rinse. Go applying it to all the hair, trying to reach all the strands. 5. Leave the rinse on your hair for at least 10 minutes. 6. Once this time has passed, rinse the vinegar from your hair with cold water. 7. Dry your hair as you always do. The result of this treatment is visibly brighter and silky hair. Do not be afraid that the hair smells of vinegar. This will not happen, since once the hair dries there will not be a trace of odor left. 8. If you want to maintain beautiful and shiny hair, you can perform this treatment every week. Do not use it more times than is recommended because the vinegar used in excess can become counterproductive. When applying this vinegar rinse, be very careful that it does not get into your eyes as it can burn a lot. Tips. If you have dry hair, you can strengthen this rinse by adding a little pure honey. In this way, besides giving shine, you will be nourishing your hair. If you want to further enhance the shine effect of this rinse, you can mix it with an egg white. To give even more conditioner effect to this rinse, you can add a jet of some nourishing oil in this mixture. It can be almond oil, olive oil, or any oil of your preference. What did you think of this article? Please share it.